everybody, today we're going to be using one of those AC recharge kits to refill the air conditioning in my Yukon XL. I've noticed that it's just not as cold as it used to be, and so thinking that this might be the culprit, but we're going to check it and see. So first thing we're going to do is unscrew this top thing here, and then we can take that piece off right there, but I'll show you what we do after that. Okay, got those separated. Next step is to open the hood and find the low port, or low pressure port. And I know where that is. It is, let's see, let's zoom in right there. Is that little guy with the cap on? So we're going to take the cap off, and we're going to start the car, and then we'll get the gauge hooked up to it. All right, we got the cap off. Now it's time to start this bad boy. And then we're supposed to turn on the air all the way and on the recirculating mode. So we'll go down here. That's already on the recirculating. We'll turn on the rear too. All right, hood open. Look how many miles are on this thing. 300 and basically 15,000 miles. Still works great. Don't mind the doors over there. That's a known problem. These, but we love this car. All right, we're gonna let that go for a couple seconds, and then I'm gonna bring this out, hook it up, and then we'll see what the pressure looks like. Car is running. I've got the little adapter here, or connector that is. So we're just gonna push it onto that open valve right there, and it should click into place, and then we can check the pressure. Okay, I have it hooked up now, and the pressure gauge says filled, but it is getting a little lower. So I'm thinking that we can add a little bit more to it. So let's hook up the bottle. You're just gonna screw it on, and it'll puncture the lid there, and then we can see if we can get it up to a little bit higher pressure. Okay, we've got it hooked up, and so now we're just gonna pull the trigger, see if we can get it up to near the yellow line. But other than that, this is all you do. So hopefully this helps you out. It's an easy process. You can do it in like minutes, just a couple minutes. So anyway, you guys have a good one. I'll talk to you later.